Hello world and welcome back to Accelerate. Today we've got a pretty special episode for you guys. We've got a luxury saloon car challenge and we've been really looking forward to doing this for you.
We were given a budget of £15,000 to choose a luxury car of our choice that we are going to put head to head in our first challenge video together.
Yeah.
We're going to go through some top trump style challenges, we're going to go through the stats, and we're going to do a few challenges linked to luxury.
And performance, right? Because that's mainly what I got. Yeah, that's good.
So let's get into it.
Yeah. Right, today I have brought this 2012 Jaguar XF Premium Luxury S, which is a 3-litre diesel V6 twin turbo. It's in Italian racing red. And the reason I chose this was I wanted to go something more different rather than a generic BMW 5 Series, Mercedes, run-of-the-mill luxury stuff. So this is why I chose this vehicle.
What I've chosen for today is a 2012 Mercedes S350. It's the 3-litre turbo diesel. And why have I chosen an S-Class? When you think of luxury, you think S-Class. You think German, and as many people have said, if you want to see what technology is used in future cars, you look at an S-Class. The equipment is always spot on them, so feeling confident with this one.
Right, so first thing you notice when you get into the Jag is the lovely two-tone sports seats with tan and black leather. There's leather everywhere in here, on the dash, on the door cards. Pretty special on the startup too. You got the Jaguar logo that comes up on the screen, all touchscreen. Press your start stop, gear knob rises up, and all the vents open up. Now, I think that's pretty special. So, what's the Merc car?
Stepping inside the S-Class is literally like stepping into a gentleman's club. You've got lavish leather everywhere. More buttons than I know what to do with. Quite unique on this one, it has got the screen with the DVD player. The screen actually rotates as well. But typical Mercedes, you've got the German quality. Everything you touch is quality material. There's the optional, can't think what they call it, the smooth wood on the steering wheel as well. So yeah, see that typical German quality. In fairness, I was not expecting a Jag. I really was expecting to go German, well, hence me sort of playing a safe.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. Safe bet would be a BMW, Mercedes, Audi. So that's the reason I went for a Jaguar. It is quality. It's got a lot of good features on the car as well. But I do like things that are slightly different.
Yeah.
So obviously the S-Class is the pinnacle of luxury.
That's just to say. So I respect the fact that you've brought a British car to a luxury car challenge. Is it going to match up to an S-Class?
Well, this is the thing. I should have probably bought an XJ, but if you buy an XJ over an XF, you'd have to be visually impaired because them things are ugly. They really ain't that pretty. Like,
you got a point. Yeah. Yeah.
So these things, I just think as well, the styling on this thing, the lines, the bonnet, everything's just it's really nice.
Yeah.
So the S-Class. It's an S-Class. Yeah. It's stunning. It is stunning. It's massive, mind, isn't it? Yeah, I'm expecting it to be quite that big.
They are a lot bigger.
That badge there for Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet to hold on to. This thing's like the Titanic.
Yeah, I can't actually argue with that. Let's get these challenges on the way then. Easy. So we are out in the Jag, so my first time being in the Jag, and I hate to admit, it's really nice.
It's a nice place to be in.
It's
so quiet.
Like you said, all I can see is leather. You've got the wood trim, but they've done really well in modernising the Jaguar brand, I think, as in things like that, the gear knob. It just feels a lot more modern than, I don't know, previous Jags.
Than you'd think.
On the road, I mean, you can instantly tell it's firmer than the S-Class. But then I think it's important to note this is, I would say, aimed more towards a sport drive as opposed to an ultimate luxury drive. But it's certainly not lacking in luxuries compared. Yes, like I thought it'd be a big step down, whereas it's actually, you know, like I said, the quality of the materials, I'm quite impressed with it.
For something, which is more sport orientated, it does take the bumps and it does ride the road really, really well.
Right, let's have a little game of top trumps then. This should be interesting. Brake horsepower.
Right, this is 275.
The S-Class is 254.
Okay. Torque is 600 newton meters, this is.
620 newton meters the S-Class is.
Okay.
Weight, do you know the weight of this?
Yeah, this is 1820, I believe.
Oh, so this is a lot lighter. The
1820 kilos.
is 2 ton. It's 1955, I believe. So this is like that.
Well, it's not bad actually, considering it's huge. And I mean, that thing is massive.
You'd have to see it in person, because I didn't realise how big they were until I came into
It took me 3 days to walk around it. A wheelbase on it, Jesus Christ.
So when you're turning it around, you've got to make sure you've got people directing you. Like, do you know what's the 0 to 60?
0 to 60 is 5.9.
6.9 in the S-Class, which I wasn't expecting.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, they're still big diesel cars. And what's a Civic Type R EP3? 6.5?
That's a very good point. Yeah.
You know, so, you know, considering they are diesel luxury cars.
Yeah. You know, and an EP3 does not give you this level of quality by any means. Top speed?
I believe it's around 155, but I might be wrong.
The S-Class, I believe, is limited. I think they're both limited to 155 in fairness, which is more than enough, if you ask me.
Yeah, well, limit's only 70.
Yeah, we'd never go above that.
No, never. What's your MPG?
Combined, they reckon 43. There's like 43.6.
Right.
So they're never always 100%.
No, say combined on paper, this is 47.
Oh, right. I'd say the only fair way to do it is on paper. So either way,
yeah, okay, yeah,
which,
40, yeah, fair
again,
enough.
I kind of expect.
I agree with you because it's wins.
Yeah. Yeah. What am I doing? Stop talking. Do you know the price on these when they were new?
Right, I know they base model started around 40-ish. This one was probably closer to 50.
Right.
Due to the extras that it's got on it. It is really, really well equipped, this model.
Yeah.
It's got pretty much everything on it.
Well, the S-Class, the base is 60,000 for a base S-Class, and I know my one's got basically the AMG pack, everything with it. The list price was 69,997, which is
it's about 20k more than this then.
Yeah, which is considerable amount.
£20,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what I will say is with the S-Class, I think the biggest difference, and you'll feel it, is the Airmatic suspension. So it's got air suspension.
Yeah. One thing I can think of though, this has electric, memory, heated and cooled leather. And what does the S-Class have?
It's got everything but cooled.
Boom.
So it's
Come
on, Mercedes!
Yeah,
for God's sake!
Standard.
You're making me look stupid. I came into this really smug. Oh, that's what I've got to say. Price when bought. So
price when bought, yeah. It was bought just over a year ago, and the price was just under 12,000.
Oh, so you're well in the budget then.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's me thinking, I've got under budget on mine.
Yeah.
Right. Well, the S-Class again purchased a year ago. The owner paid 13,000 for it. So I come well in the budget, but you did slightly better on that. Biggest discount from new, which I think is worth considering. The S-Class has depreciated more, so if you're a buyer, fantastic.
Yes.
I've gone off camera.
You know, I got a bit of time.
It does, but yeah.
But yeah, the handling, you know, it does give you quite a bit of feedback.
There we are, like,
as well.
yeah, point and go sort of thing.
Yeah.
As soon as I started saying mine was better price-wise, you distracted me by throwing it into a corner. Right, so we're going to give it some juice here. Let's see what it is. The diesel to pull that strong.
Yeah. So it does keep going.
And it just keeps pulling. Gear changes are crisp.
Nice name.
Yeah, the way it was running through the gears there, that felt nice.
Yeah, 8-speed automatic.
8? Why do you need 8 gears?
Spin around and let you jump in the driver's seat then.
Yeah. Nice, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a real nice place to be. Love the display. Really like that display. I shouldn't be saying this.
Yeah.
It's all crap.
Yeah. Just don't know whether you noticed in the rear view camera. No? No?
No,
Oh, right, yes.
I wasn't paying attention.
No, I didn't think you
Probably
would.
because there isn't one in the S-Class.
That's why I thought I'd bring that one up. Like I said earlier, you know, you should really be comparing this to an E-Class, or I suppose.
Yeah.
But
either I should have bought an E-Class,
or I should have bought an extra. But like I said, there's reasons you don't buy either or.
Yeah. Oh, that gearbox.
Yeah, it's nice, nice.
Yeah, okay, that's one of my favourite things about it. Even if it has got to change 33 times to get through its 8-speed. But no, I was expecting, when you said 8-speed, I was like, well, it's going to be changing, and can't make its mind up. But so far,
pretty good.
Let's see what the kickdown is like. Yeah,
All there.
plenty of power there.
Yeah.
Driving the S-Class down, it doesn't give you that confidence to throw it into a corner. So it's like, you just point and yeah. I was hoping to get in it and drive like crap.
Like an old Mondeo.
Yeah, I'm too nice, but yeah, it's such a good car. Because when you pulled up, I was just like, well, is it a luxury car?
Yeah, well, you wouldn't. Well, yeah, you probably wouldn't think of it off the top of your head. If
Yeah.
you said luxury car, you would say Mercedes.
Yeah. So it's going to
maybe
disqualify you there and then. I will say, you can feel, again in the S-Class, like, you know, the switchgear and things like that?
Yeah.
You feel that German quality. There's nothing wrong with these, but that's one thing I will say is the build quality, I think,
Yeah, definitely.
feels better in the S-Class.
Yeah. So, opinion. What do you reckon?
I know this is a challenge video, so I should be saying, oh, it's terrible, it's terrible. But no, I will give my honest opinion. I knew it was going to be firmer than the S-Class, and I think everyone expected that.
Yeah.
But as I say, it's certainly not lacking in luxuries. I mean, it feels nice. Everything around you is nice. The materials are nice, and I would be more than satisfied if I owned this car for the money as well.
Yeah,
I don't
definitely.
think you can do much better.
Oh, it goes. Oh, it's making my stomach go.
Top quality journalism. Which one do you prefer?
As a luxury car,